Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing a slime that my friend bought for me for my birthday. She got it for me like quite a few months ago because my birthday was like last year, like early last year. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video of me unboxing the slime. I feel like this slime really shows how much I like my Melody. It's like, I think one of my favorite Sanrio characters. Yeah. As you can see, the slime is really glossy and clicky, and like it just makes such a satisfying sound. Now I'm adding in the foam beads. They are really cute. Like, I love the different colors, like purple, pink, blue, yellow. Like, it goes really well, especially since they are pastel colors. Although the slime is kind of like putty and jiggly, overall I think the texture was really stretchy. Like, I didn't expect it to be stretchy since most like store-bought slimes were not as stretchy as compared to some others that I've previously bought. I really enjoyed mixing in the foam beads. The way that the foam beads complement the slimes because of its colors was so cute. To be honest, I added in the foam beads gradually because I thought that the slime couldn't contain all the foam beads and they'll just like start falling out. But surprisingly, this slime was like able to hold in most of the foam beads after I mixed it like well enough into the slime. I think as I played with the slime more and more, it definitely became even more inflated, and I realized that like when I tried fitting it back into the container, it became like much bigger than expected. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every single time I post a new video.